Did you know that around 80,000 litres of rainwater falls on your roof every year? In New Zealand, all that water runs off your roof into your gutters and downpipes. So, what happens when the build-up of organic growth blocks your gutters? Unless the gutter has an overflow system, the water can build up in heavy rain and overflow back into your home, leading to leaks, flooding and costly repairs. Edwards and Hardy use the latest gutter cleaning systems to keep your gutters flowing freely. Taking the time to clean your gutters and install diverters will help keep your home warm and dry, despite the wild weather that we can get throughout the year. Remember, your roof is only as good as your gutters. So call us today and keep yours clean and working efficiently with Edwards and Hardy.